Everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Roses Studio. If you want to take your color grading in the next level, you found the right way. If you want to become a colorist, I will create you become a colorist. But first, you will know the basic and the fundamental of the color tools, and then you will be do the advanced level of color grading. So let's go do it.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, now I am here the HLS color tab. So first of all, you know what is HLS. HLS stand for hue, luminance and saturations. It's actually the color model used in DaVinci Resolve that give you the detailed control of over the how color specific we have. Hue it's basically create a specific color tone. Luminance is the brightness of each color of hue, and the last of saturations how vivid and dull of the image. Okay, now I will hear the hue versus hue. First, you know what is hue versus hue. Hue versus hue, it's actually means when your color, its specific color turn into the another color, then you using this hue versus hue. So for example, when I turn into this this green into a deep green, so this is the curve and you will tap this blue section curve and tap this green section curve. When I put down this curve and it is created a deep tone. For example, for this is before and this is after. Okay, and when I create a moody tone, then I will put up this curve and here you can see this is the created a moody tone. So before and after. Now I will going to the hue versus saturation. So what is hue versus saturations? Hue versus saturations is the basically when your green turn into the more vibrant and turn into the more mute. So then you will select this curve and put up your clip, it's turn into the more saturation, and when your clip the more mute, then you put down your curve and then it's a more mute this image. That's created is very boring in this clip. So first, when you just green color, just change this green color into a desaturated, high saturated, then you select this blue tab and this select this curve and only the green tab, it's boost. Here you can see this is the boost, and when you only your clip just desaturated. Okay, so this is the after and before. Okay, and then the hue versus luminance. What is hue versus luminance? Hue versus luminance is actually control the brightness of the specific of color in your image. It's you can choose your clip on your perspective and then you will adjust the darken and brightness part in your image. That color appears, that is called the luminance. So when you tap your sector and this, so you can see the brightness of the specific color and the sky targeted to the sky, and put down you can see the darken, there is the hazy darken of the sky to appears. So this is the work, the hue versus luminance. Okay, and this is the lume versus saturation. Lume versus saturations, it's the brightness part to saturate, so decrease the highlight, and you can see this saturated part or decrease, and this create a more. Last I will show you tips and tricks. Use soft curve for natural transitions. Avoid overshifting hues that make your skin tone unnatural, and use the highlight tool to isolate color as you grade. Okay, bye bye. If video is helpful, follow for more such content. Bye bye.